we are making a very Christmassy stew. And it's actually inspired by old Spanish dishes. It's called Nilagang Pasko. So, we are preparing this very simply. I'm just cutting my vegetables. I have some onions here. And I don't have a ham leg. Pero meron ako dito to substitute the flavor of the ham leg. I'm using thick cut smoked bacon from Tindeli and Spanish sausages from Tindeli as well. So ito, simpleng nilaga lang to. But the difference is, it is made with different kinds of meat. So meron tayong beef dito. This is brisket or chuck, which I par cook. Gusto ko, sabay-sabay na maluto lahat. And I have here my onions. You can add as much onions as you want. And I will make this as flavorful as possible. Just slice my sausages. Mamaya ko na ito ilalagay. Just prepare everything. Aking sausage. Ito, thick cut bacon. Cut into pieces, just half. So, medyo malaki. And I will add it to flavor later on. Turn on my pot. And I will saute my onions. Take my time. Not rushing at all. So, take my time. So, the carrot naman dito, it will just disintegrate into the broth as well. And season with a little bit of salt. Eto, huwag nating madaliin to this point, ha. We just want to like let this brown and caramelize a bit. Kasi ito talaga will give our broth very nice flavor. And usually kasi, niluto to not on Christmas Eve, but on Christmas Day. So, the day after magpasko, maubos na yung hamon, yung bone na lang natira, gagawa ka ng ulam, leftover na hamon, leftover na sausage, leftover na whatever. Then, ito na yung magiging ulam mo on Christmas Day. So, leave that there. And I also prepare my other vegetables. Pero ito, it will take so much time to cook this, ha? Kasi dapat, before you add your potatoes and other stuff, dapat yung ating meat malambot na. So, it will turn out to be a very nice, rich, thick stew from the starches of our vegetables and all that. So, parang nga siyang nilaga, pero nilagang bongga. No? Nilagang Pasko nga. Unahin ko lang yung gisa yung aking manok. And nilagay ko yung aking dahon ng laurel. 4 ito. And now, lalagay ko na yung lahat ng aking mga meat. So, aking beef na partially cooked. Hindi pa siya masyadong malambot, pero medyo may a few minutes advanced boiling na siya. Usually, traditional, sinasabay-sabay na nila. Pero yung nangyayari, sobra nang nadudurog yung manok and the beef, kakalambot lang. So, I don't want that to happen. So, season with a bit of salt, not too much, basta may lasa yung ating luto. Then later, we will finish the seasoning, no? When we taste everything together. Now, we will add our broth. Ito yung sabaw ng ating baka kanina. Now, add a bit more water. Yan, ito. Pwede pa nating dagdagan, pero mamaya ko na siya dagdagan. Yan lang muna yung gagawin natin for now. We will let it boil. And I will add my garlic. Just add it there. And now, I will just let that simmer for a few minutes until maluto yung aking chicken. And parang traditional nilaga, may mais, may patatas, no? You can also use kamote, no? Sweet potato. So it's really very personal, unique to one's family and how it's prepared. And this is the way I like mine. I have a bit of garbanzos and I have potatoes here. Ito, malaki lang tong slices nito. And actually, if you add a lot of potatoes here, sa mga Europeans, 1 pot meal na siya. Kasi yung patatas na yung starch eh. Hindi ka na magkakanin. Pero tayo, Pinoy na Pinoy, we eat it with rice. Yan o. Yan o. Malapit na kumulo yung ating nilagang Pasko. Pero hindi tayo nag-worry. Nabubusan tayo ng LPG dahil sa island gas. Lagi insakto sa timbang. Kaya yun talaga yung gamit ko dito sa studio. Island gas. gas. Oh, mag-island gas na rin kayo, ha. Ito, in a few minutes, I will be adding my other ingredients. And while we are waiting for this to become ready, don't forget to subscribe to the Chef Tatong YouTube channel for recipes and more. Click the bell button to get notified. And of course, comment down below kung meron kayong request or may comment kayo dito. Ano ba yung style nyo magluto ng nilaga or nilagang Pasko sa bahay nyo? Magkaiba ba yung version nyo ng everyday nilaga sa nilagang pang Pasko? Or parehas lang? So our pot has been boiling and all the flavors have come together. Itong medyo orange siya, hindi siya annatto oil. This is the paprika from our sausage. Time to add my potatoes. So ito hindi siya masyadong soupy na grabe, ha? Kasi we want the flavors of the meat to be very intense. So we have potatoes, patatas, then our corn, sweet corn, and our garbanzos. So some people will use garbanzo, some people will use sitaw or baguio bean. So it's up to you. At ito, masarap to. Very simple. Nice with bread. Something to with bread. Or, damihan mo yung patatas, yun na yung starch mo. Or with rice. Pag rice siya, masarap siya may siding na patis calamansi. Yan. And ito, handa ko na yung aking cabbage. While this is cooking, I will chop my cabbage. Pag ganito, some people like the cabbage to be medyo firm pa, medyo may bite pa. Ako, gusto ko malambot na malambot yung aking cabbage because it's very silky, add so much flavor. So, then I will already add my cabbage. So, yung cabbage ko, hindi ko siya gagawing crispy-crispy, ha. Ito siya. Gusto ko malambot na malambot talaga yung aking vegetables. And let that simmer. And once it's done, titikman na natin yung ating nilagang Pasko. Diba? At mapapa-Merry Christmas ka sa sarap. Yan, excited na ako. Tikman muna natin. Kung kailangan pa i-adjust ang ating sabaw. Okay? Grabing sarap. Kakaiba yung richness ng broth niya. Kasi of course, ang daming iba-ibang meats na gamit natin. May pork, may beef, may chicken. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Pag repolyo sa ganito, gusto ko malambot. But it's really up to you. It's really a very personal thing, no? So, what I like may not be the way you like your food. So, you make the adjustments based on ano yung gusto nyo. Diba? And we have our chicken here. Diba? Sarap diba? Our bacon, no? Wood smoked bacon. Ang sarap. Grabe talaga. Ito pa lang, no? And some people would eat this with a drizzle of olive oil and vinegar. Nandun ito. Ito, beef, carrots, may sausage, may garbanzos. Tikman natin. Just as is, I'm happy with this. Then, medyo, eto, I would also love this with nice crusty bread. Meron kang baguette or sourdough with butter. Ito yung partner. Sarap. Grabing sarap talaga. Wow. It's so nice. This is the chicken. It's very comforting. Grabe. This is one of the most delicious dishes you can serve on Christmas Day after Noche Buena using some of your leftovers. Ito, ang sarap niya. A very rich broth with meats, assorted meats, beef, pork, chicken, baboy, sausages, ham. Nilagang Pasko. Celebrate the holidays with the best of your leftovers with this recipe. Try it out.